What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review of Vivica A Fox's bang and bun ponytails. Actually, I have two of them right now. I'm going to show them both to you. Okay, so I have one that is a bun, and then I have another one that is a curly ponytail. Now, I have used one of these before, but I will leave the link to that video. The one that I did before was straight. This one is curly, so I'm gonna get the opportunity, and you guys will get the opportunity to see the curly wig with bang, and not wig, it's a ponytail, okay, and the bun. So before I get started, if you're new, my name is Simply Carrie, and I will be doing a wig review. I do them from time to time. I am a wig enthusiast. I love wigs. So if you like wig reviews, you like wigs, definitely hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the wig reviews that I do moving forward. Okay, so let's get started with this first one. This is a 2-in-1 Vivica's Bang and Bun. Okay, it's in a 1B. Let's see what this is gonna look like. So this is what it looks like coming out of the bag. We've got the bang. Now these clips, you have to know how to open them up. You have to push them up in order to open it. It's got 2 clips on the inside. I will probably end up using one of the clips, and I'll leave the description. That's it right there. So I'm gonna take the clip, the one that's on the top right here. I'm gonna take that one and stick that in the top portion of my hair, or my head. Now it has something hard on the back. Okay, I'm gonna try to use, I don't know, this doesn't feel too secure. This does not feel that secure. Now what's gonna make it secure is this, the combs up here. The little clip-in combs. Now with the clip-in combs, you really have to press down. You'll hear it snap, okay? I don't know if you can see that. You gotta press down and it'll open, and then you just place it inside. Place the combs in your hair. They're kind of difficult to press. Okay, wait, did I get it? Press that one down. Okay. You have to press it down. What? Having a little trouble here trying to get this down. Okay, if I take my thumbs and press it down, get in there myself and press it down there. Now I've got it. Okay, so there you have it. I have my bun. Okay, should I have done this a little bit higher? Oh, my hair is poking out the back. Okay. I don't know, it's something odd about the way it's cut. The side is something odd about the way it's cut here on the side. Why is it looking like that? Something's not looking right with this. Something looks like. And what happens if some wind picks up and blows this? This is really, this is extremely silky. It's that really synthetic, silky hair in the front that I don't really care for. Do I have this too high? Maybe I have the bang too high up, but what I'm really concerned about, if you notice, you see how this portion is looking. If I were to do a number like that, okay, that's what this is looking like. So I'm thinking maybe I put it too high. Maybe what I needed to do was come up a little bit and have this go a little bit lower. But I do like it. I do like how it looks. I think I'm gonna have to play with this just a little bit. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, I just took it off. I am going to reapply it because it looks like it's a winner. But I wanna make sure before I actually say whether I really like it or not. I do believe that it has, I don't even want to say potential. It looks like it is definitely a go, and it is worth getting. But I probably have to bring my ponytail, my actual ponytail, higher on my head. So my ponytail is now right here where it normally would not be. Okay, and these clips, I'm going to put them closer to the front of my hair so that if this is moving around, it's not going to blow back and then you're gonna see this portion of my hair. So I wanna keep this as close to the front. So, okay, so yeah. Ooh. That's the one thing about this that you have to be very careful of, is you have to make sure that you're getting the ponytail as high on your head as you possibly can, and you get these as close to the edge of your hair so that if some wind picks up and blows this, it does not blow this back and show that you actually have a clip on in your hair. Okay, so I've got this closer. These little clips are kind of difficult to put in too. That's another thing. Now, yeah, this was cut weird. This is a weird cut, and I'm gonna have to do something about it. I definitely will. Now, I wish the other side was like this. The other side really needed to be like this because I like it like this. But this side is not, so I'm gonna have to even it up. Look at that. I got that side and that side. It's not even even. I'm gonna fix it a little bit because I really do like it. I like the, I'm surprised that the ponytail, I don't know if you can see the ponytail up here. Look at that. That's a nice ponytail. I really do like that. Look at that bun, that's nice. Here, I'm gonna turn around so that you can see the back of it. Okay, hopefully I got my back looking right. Oh, wait, I think I have some hair. I can't see the back. You guys can see the back. I can't. Let me turn this around, okay? This is what the back looks like. Okay, hopefully I got this up straight and it's not tilted. All right. Let me show you the other side. All right. Now see, I like this because look, I wish that this could stay a little bit longer, but this side is not even. Okay, so I fixed this as best I can, and I really don't see anything in here that says that you can apply heat on this. This does not look like something you actually can apply heat to. It looks like it's really synthetic because it's really straight. Now, as far as the bang is concerned, what I am concerned about is if the wind were to blow, if you're outside, you're going to your car, whatever it is that you're doing and you're outside and the wind picks up, it's gonna pick this bang up too. Let me show you. Okay, so here's the wind, here's the wind. There's your hair underneath it. There's your hair underneath it. Okay, so I think that what the trick would be to help this situation would be to get some bobby pins, and I would probably pin some of the hair that's underneath because it is quite thick. You can take some of the hair that's already underneath and just make sure that it stays down. Okay, you don't take all of it, but a portion of it, and keep that down so that if the wind does pick up, it won't necessarily blow it to a point where you can see that it is a clip-on. Okay, so I do like it. So that's the first one. Now the only other thing too is how this is coming apart in the center. Is like a little crease. I don't know what's going on there. I've got to play around with that and see how I might be able to fix that. And this portion right here seems longer than this portion, but outside of that, I think it looks glamorous. It gives me a different look. It's a nice updo without all the hassle, as it says. I love it. Okay, so I'm giving this a thumbs up. So now let's move on to the second ponytail that I have, which is the bang and ponytail. This was the bang and bun. This one is called Kennedei. So it's BP-Kennedei. Maybe it's Kennedy. Maybe it's Kennedy. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna take this one off and I'm gonna get started with this next one. Here's the one with the wavy kind of hair. Now, how many inches does this look like? 16 maybe? This ponytail does not have this dome the way the bun does. Okay, this one has a hard dome inside of it. Okay, it's really hard in here. This one does not. It's stretchy inside. It has a drawstring. It has the It has the 2 combs. Voila. Voila. This, whoa. All right, now I can't really see the back too well. I'm gonna have to take a mirror and really get in there and take a look at it. So what are my thoughts on this wig? I love the wavy on me. I think I like that way better than the straight. I love the look. Okay, it's an instant look, boom. Now it says it right here on the box. It's for quick and fast hair updos, yes. Look trendy without the hassle, definitely. Okay, great for high ponytail looks, definitely. And create different styles, most def, yes. This definitely will do. I really do like it. I will be wearing it. I do give it 2 thumbs up. The only thing, as I said before, that I'm really not, well, 2 things that I'm really not crazy about with them is that, no, I take it back, it's 3 things. 1, it's extremely straight, and when it's really straight like this, it has that sort of fake look, okay? Although I don't really feel this is super fake, okay? I don't think it's that fake, but you know, it's really straight. But the other thing that is kind of a hassle is if this were to blow off to the side, but I did say get some pins, stick it underneath, hopefully, you know, that will correct that situation because there's quite a bit of it. That's one thing that I like. And then the fact that this up here does not look insane, because sometimes you can get this up here and it looks, it is crazy. I have had one that just wasn't working right and I just didn't even bother. And then the other thing that is an issue that could possibly be fixed is that it looks like it's a little heavier on this side than it is on that side. But right now it doesn't look like it. So maybe it was how I, you know, because I did adjust it. So maybe that's the reason. I don't know. But I do like it and I will be wearing it. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and definitely get the notification bell for any of the videos that I have moving forward, okay? All right, guys, have a good one and I will see you. Bye.